Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be looking at the timer mode on the Casio Pro Trek PRG330 watch. This is module 3443 by Casio. I'll say this, even if you don't have this model watch, the timer mode is going to work pretty similar to most other Casio watches out there. You've got a 24-hour maximum that you can set as your timer value. You have a minimum of 1 minute. From our main timekeeping mode, we are going to press the mode button. It's the bottom left button on the watch. You're going to press it a few times. Each time you press it, it'll take you to a different mode on the watch. You're looking for one that basically says TMR at the top. It should look like this. By default, when Casio gives you the watch, 10 minutes will be the default timer. And again, we can switch that. I'm going to show you how to do it. At the top, that OH is showing you the number of hours that have passed in your timer, or what you have set for your timer value. The middle is going to be your minutes and second value. And then the bottom is going to be your current time. So it's 10:45 a.m. This little M at the bottom here is going to be my battery indicator. The PS that you see on the side there is just showing that I have the watch in power saving mode. You will see that on all screens, no matter which mode you're in. To simply start your timer, you're going to press the bottom right button, and my countdown timer will begin counting down. I don't have to stay in the timer mode. There's really not a whole lot of reasons to get out of it, unless you're wanting to use your compass or your barometer or your altimeter. I'm just going to simply press the mode button, and you'll see when we go back to it, the timer will still be going. I'm in my timekeeping mode. Go back to timer, and there's my timer. It's been running back there. If you want to pause it, you can simply press the bottom right button again. That will pause your timer. And then pressing it again will resume your timer. It also acts as your stop button. The only difference really between a pause and a stop is if you press the bottom right button, it will resume. If you press the top right button while it is stopped, it will reset your timer back to your default value, basically start over your timer. If you want to change your value while you're in the timer mode, you're going to press and hold the adjust button. It is the top left button on the watch. Hold it down, it says set hold. After a couple of seconds, it will take you into the settings for your timer mode. Up top here, you've got the hour indicator blinking. You can press the top right button to adjust the number of hours for your timer. You can press the bottom right button to adjust them as well. Bottom button will move you up. Top button will move you down. Once you've got your hours set, you can press the mode button. That will move you to your minutes. Again, you'll use either the top or bottom button on the right to adjust your minutes. So I'm going to go down. I'm going to set mine to a 5-minute timer. Press the mode button another time. It's just going to toggle you back to your hour. Once you're done, you've got your default timer set the way you want. Simply press the adjust button, and you've adjusted the default time for your timer. So now every time you go in, reset your timer. In my case, it would reset back to 5 minutes. Pretty simple stuff. As with everything else, you can press the mode button a few times to get back to your timekeeping mode, or if you press and hold the mode button, no matter where you're at, it will always take you back to your time mode. That's a quick look at using the countdown timer on the PRG330 watch. I hope the video helped.